Now I discuss AC through resistor. Okay, Nana? Nana, this is the symbol of AC source. This is the symbol of AC source. Okay? This AC source is connected to the resistor. Its resistance is R. Look here now. The question is AC through resistor. This chapter is alternating currents. Okay? AC through resistor. This is the symbol of AC source. This AC source is connected through the resistor as shown in figure. Here AC source, okay, AC source gives EMF. Once again I repeat, gives EMF, okay, gives EMF. EMF formula is E naught sin omega t. సార్ ఇది ఎలా వచ్చింది సార్ అంటే this is explained by using AC generator tomorrow. Tomorrow morning class I discuss AC generator. At that time I discuss. Look here. Look here. First I take input. Input I by P input. AC source gives input. What is the formula for EMF? E naught sin omega t, equation number 1. This formula is derived tomorrow. This formula is derived tomorrow morning. Okay? Here E indicate EMF after t seconds. Here E naught indicate maximum EMF. Okay? What is the formula for input? E equal to E naught sin omega t. This input is connected to the resistor because of closed circuit which will be flown current. Current means output. Once again I repeat AC source gives input EMF because it is connected to the resistor. It is called closed circuit. In the closed circuit electricity current will be flow. Current will be flow. Okay? This is output current. Input EMF, output current. We know that the formula of current is, according to Ohm's law, V equal to IR. Okay? Here, what is the formula for current, Nana? What is the formula for current? V by R. Okay? Here, Nana, I equal to V means voltage. According to equation 1, V write as E naught sin omega t. Here by R. Once again I repeat. I equal to V by R. V indicate voltage, ORR, EMF. EMF formula in the chapter. E naught sin omega t. According to this situation, I equal to E naught by R write as I naught. Ohm's law. Here E naught is called maximum EMF. R indicate resistance. E naught by R is called I naught. Here I equal to I naught sin omega t. This is the equation number 2. What is the formula for input? E means E naught sin omega t. What is the formula for output current? I equal to I naught sin omega t. Look here, this is sine, this is sine. According to physics or according to mathematics, both are sine angle. Angle indicate the direction. Both are sine. Simply, both are in same phase. Simply, this is the input, this is the output. Here, EMF, current, both are in the same direction. This diagram is called phase diagram. This is called organd diagram. Phase diagram, ORR, organd diagram. According to equation 1 and equation 2, here input EMF and output current both are sine. That means both are in the same direction. Okay, this diagram is called phase diagram of AC through resistor. Mind lo undalanu hold through inductor. Look here now. Inductor is nothing but the coil. This is the coil now. Look here. This coil is connected to the AC source. Once again I repeat. AC through inductor nana. In the situation, coil is connected to the AC source. AC source. This is the question. Here, first to determine input EMF. We know that from AC generator, input EMF formula is equal to E naught sin omega t. Equation number 1. Okay? Next, output current. Actually, this is derived value, nana, but I give directly, nana. Look here, nana. Output current. Look here. Here, I equal to E naught by omega L into sin omega t minus pi by 2. Equation number 2. What is the input EMF formula AC through inductor? E naught sin omega t. What is the output current formula? E naught by omega L into sin omega t minus pi by 2. Here omega L is called as XL. What is the formula for XL? Omega L. Here XL is called as inductive reactance. Once again I repeat, XL is called as inductive reactance. What is the XL meaning? XL meaning inductive reactance. What is the formula for XL? Omega L. This XL is called as resistance in the inductor. Generally resistance denoted by R. Resistor lo, for example, ఇది resistor అనుకోండి. దీంట్లో రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఏ లెటర్తో డినోట్ చేస్తారు? R. ఇది కాయిల్. కాయిల్లో రెసిస్టెన్స్ని దేంట్లో డినోట్ చేస్తారు? XL. Simply XL is called as resistance in the coil. Look here. Next, look here. Here write Excel nana Ohm's law V by R. V by R write as I naught. Once again I repeat, V by R according to Ohm's law, that is called I naught. What is the formula? Sin omega t minus pi by 2. Here equation number 3. Here to compare equation 1 and equation 3. Equation 1 and equation 3 both are compare. Here sin omega t, here sin omega t minus pi by 2. We know that in the previous situation AC through resistor, here current denoted by here minus pi by 2 means current lag any degrees? 90 degrees compared to EMF. This is the EMF. Look here. This is the EMF. This is through coil. Coil means L, inductor. Here, once again I repeat, here current according to equation 3 and equation 1, current lag, how many degrees? 90 degrees compared to EMF. Okay, this is the phase diagram of the AC through inductor. Write down. Hold. So, AC through capacitor. Look here now. AC through capacitor. All of you look here. Okay? AC through capacitor now. Here, this is the capacitor now. Okay, AC through capacitor. Capacitance denoted by C. Capacitance denoted by C. Okay, it is connected to the AC source. AC source connected to the capacitor. First write input EMF. Look here. What is the input EMF according to AC generator? E equal to E naught sin omega t. Because it is connected, it will be closed circuit. Here current flown through the circuit. Here output current can be determined. What is the input EMF? E equal to E naught sin omega t. What is the output current? Here, look here. Here, output current formula is I equal to E naught by 1 by omega c. E naught 1 by omega c sin of omega t plus pi by 2. In the previous equation, minus pi by 2. Here, plus pi by 2. Look here. Here, 1 by omega c is called xc. Here, what is the xc? xc is 1 by omega c. Here XC is called capacitive. XC is called capacitive reactance. XC is called capacitive reactance. XC is called capacitive reactance. Here resistor lo resistance denoted by R, capacitor lo resistance denoted by XC. Simply nana in the resistance is R, in the capacitor resistance is XC. మరి కాయిల్లో resistance denoted by XL. What is the formula for XL? Omega L. What is the formula for XC? 1 by omega C. 1 by omega C. Look here. Look here now. Look here. XC is 1 by omega C. Here